Welcome to our copper extrusion showcase room. Due to the fully automated and confidential nature of our main production facility, filming is restricted there. This dedicated showcase room allows us to present the full scope of our extrusion capabilities through physical samples. Here we maintain an inventory of over 3,000 to 4,000 distinct copper extrusion profiles developed over the years. These profiles cover a wide range of cross-sectional geometries, wall thicknesses, and dimensional tolerances to meet diverse industry requirements. From precision micro-profiles under 5 grams per meter to heavy-duty sections exceeding 50 kilograms per meter, all are represented here. We support complex shapes including multi-port tubes, thin-walled hollow sections, and profiles with integrated functional features. Our engineering team routinely works with customers to develop bespoke profiles that exactly match specific mechanical, thermal, or electrical performance targets. This collection demonstrates the depth of our tooling library and our capability to deliver tailored copper extrusion solutions for high-end applications worldwide.